Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete face in PDF file. This is very easy, so let's start. First, open the PDF to see how much face in here. See here, there are 10 pages. Now open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Now search remove PDF pages. Now click on I love PDF.com. Now select PDF file. Open the PDF. Now select the page which you want to remove. If you want to remove multiple pages, you can select all of them by clicking. Now click on remove pages. Pages are removing. Now the PDF is downloaded after removing the page. Click on it to open it. See here, 2 pages are removed from this. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.